We're going to be playing a bit more Clash Royale. Still playing this damn hog. Still misplaying like crazy. Ugh. It's 4 for 4. It's not bad. He gets the activation. He messes up the Tesla. Pretty good for me. I get a lot of damage off. Mess up the cannon, it's fine. He gets a bit of damage. He's playing Evolved Tesla, which is fine. He has almost the same cycle as me when I'm playing Ice Golem. Most of these skill versus skill games go in my favor. Purely because well, they're not very good, the Sloan trophies. The games where I really struggle are against the new cards and particularly against very aggressive decks. To be expected, however. He's playing extremely poorly. Good game, my friend. See if we can pull out another one. Bad cannon. Not terrible, though. Okay. Things are looking okay for me. I am terribly hungry. Wish I could eat food besides just yogurt and soup. some clean damage off. Okay, he gets some clean damage off of me too. Not great for me. I would really like the activation, but cannot seem to pull it off for the life of me. I missed the Dark Goblin. Very unfortunate. Very nice for me. Well, I win by the hair of my teeth. See if we can pull one more one off. Some extreme lags. Very scary. Peck comes down, pretty unfortunate for me, but I get a good amount of damage. If I don't lose my tower here, I'll be sitting pretty. I do take a lot of damage, but I'm okay. Not a fan of the new furnace. Not a fan of him. We have lots of people playing him. Cannot say I'm a fan. This is fine. Get a little bit of damage off. Good arrows by him. That baby Pekka just ruined my life. Holy cow. That baby Pekka being at half an HP and ruining my life. Oh my god. Well, I don't even know what to say about that. That was just very unfortunate. I guess we have to play one more. Not sure he needed the snowball, but maybe he did. Okay, Mega Knight comes down. I was very aggressive and he is punishing me for it. Understandably slow. Okay, this girl just starts eating my tower. Okay, I'm taking lots of damage here. The log does not want to come down. Okay, I don't even know what to say. That was strange and some horrendous plays by me. Gotta pull something out of my hat here. Looks like he's giving me the tower. Thank you, sir. If you didn't, I would have lost already. Not sure what your plan was, but whatever. Okay, I might have hope for a moment. I'm not sure why he threw the game like that, but he's still in it. Very clearly so. Looks like his card is maxed out. I missed the pole. Taking lots of damage. Playing badly. Seems to be my thing. It's a little late. It's fine. And misses the vines. Very nice for me. Okay, I get a hit off. That's something. Get another hit off. Very nice for me indeed. Good game, my friend. Not sure what you're smoking, but wasn't good enough.